case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Bruxism, sleep talking, and the nightmare. So we are looking at these three topics. So bruxism is nothing but teeth grinding, and it occurs in case of the REM2, and the treatment wise you have the assurance and also the benzodiazepine, that is a PZD, benzodiazepines. Next we look at the sleep talking. The sleep talking also the somnolog guy. So here the person talks during the sleep and is unable to recall. So unable to recall is what is done. Then comes the nightmare. The nightmare is nothing but it is a REM disorder. The child gets up after seeing a scary dream. So the child, they end up seeing a scary dream and then they wake up. So you remember the dream. They are able to remember the dream. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.